Gabel's Smoking Balls. Uy! Muaso ni siya. Ha? Hello, we will try. Hello! How much?
150 ang usa.
Ang usa, 150?
Usa lang.
Ah, sige, usa lang.
Of the turtle. So yun nga. Yung conflict of Fiorito, Desert of Fury, they are known already committed. Pero zone for zone lang, yung pinagaganda ko nandito. They're not letting Orlok elites get in towards the zone of the turtle in order for them to find that safe retribution. So yun nga, naiwan sa penalty zone. Then along Esperanza, low HP, mga maningaba, and then it is. They came down, the center round, committed, just to sake of his own Alex. They're over there, pero Valentina, pero yung kukuha nila. Kumina na tatlo si Arms na habol, babae, there it is. They three, for one exchange. Ang kapalit ng noon at ice cream or yoga. They did a lot of skills, they committed a lot of skills. Para sa isang kill, and because of that retaliation play, ginagawa niyo kalakas na West.
Even though the Mormons is they are very good team composition, but having a Valentina inside of Asteroids that can copy and all the uniforms. Take over and here's the big try to get the Esmeralda, pero mag-engage lang sila.
Yes, mahihirapan talaga. A lot of armor coming out from NSP. And kagaya kanina, na tatlo sila nagtulungan and towards trying to find the pick-up sa ating Esmeralda. They did kill her down, pero they used a lot of skills. Thus, when you get brought up by Puyo Oreshi, so that's a good thing. Thus is out for the meantime. They could find for more potential pickups. They could find for more good donations. Pero let's see kung ano yung gagawin ng ating mga
As for Team Asteroids, kahit pick up ng Team Chief, this gagawin lang nila yung Roger mag-tip and
Shadow Isil, tumira ka right side, but just popping with shadow close. Ito naman likuran. Isa ko yung forced up to move out. May hila ba dito? Hindi na tayo ni Pino Chico. So on this one, there will be payments. Never will commit at wala makagawa. Arms will throw down as well. And tumira ng tatlo. Still, yung may display na nagawa. So, retaliation from Astra West. Mukhang nagkakabaling sila. So might as well pick off this one. Tries to pop in para kay Kuya po Jack. But it's our mono! Pinaka-Irie Irving lang. Jack, will there be another joke? Malaka-Irie yung dalawa. Pero kay Gali Irving.
kala ko makita naman ko ulit kayo rito.
Hindi ka na. 11 to 5 ang ating score ngayon. Bottom lane sa isa call. Malihila pero hindi na naman.
Ibagawa sa ilo.
So, another planet na mapupunta sa ating side ng Astra West. Is there a comeback potential sa ating Orlok Elites? Tingnan natin. Because as of the meantime,